If you're over 50 years old and want to boost your bone density, these 3 simple moves will signal to your bones to get stronger. I'm going to walk you through them step by step so you can learn how to do them safely and effectively at home. And if you want to start building bone density at home, please check out the link below because there's a 5-day strength plan designed for women over 50 that want to build bone density and strength at home. These are the 3 moves that I recommend you get started with at home to build bone density. The first one is called stomp squats. And to do that, you sit on a sturdy chair and you hinge from your hips. You place your hands at your chest and you stomp your feet. Now, if you're able to stomp your feet, and yes, make a noise, stomp your feet, we're going to turn this into stomp squats. So what that means is we stomp and stand and place ourselves back down. Stomp, stand, place ourselves back down. The key with this one is to keep the back long and hinge from the hips. And what I suggest is that you start with a few and then you work your way up to doing it for 1 minute. And if you can do it for 1 minute, please let me know in the comments below how many you got in 1 minute. The next exercise we do is something called heel stomps. And what you do is you have your hands at the wall, you stand up tall, and you see if you can lift and lower your heels. And if you can, or when you can, we're going to add some impact to that. And that would look like this. So we come up and we come down. So what we're trying to do is create some create impact when we land on our heels. And if you feel like this is too much, land softly. But over time, you want to add some impact, some force to landing on your heels because that is signaling your bones to get stronger. The last exercise that we're going to do involves a little bit more upper body strength, and those are push-ups against the wall. So the prerequisite is that you're able to do a gentle push-up against the wall. And if these are hard for you, please work with these until you're able to bend your elbows out to the side and bring yourself to the wall. And if that takes a while, that's absolutely fine. Progress takes time, but we can accelerate it when we work smartly. And then the impact exercise is that you place your hands at the wall and then you push halfway in and you come back. And what we're doing is we're signaling to our bones to get stronger. If you find like this is too hard, it's too hard right now. And what you need to do is do your gentle push-ups at the wall. The key with exercise, the key with getting stronger is make sure you're able to do the prerequisites before you add the harder ones. So just to review, we have super fabulous stomp squats. How many can you do in 1 minute? Then we have heel drops. Can you do this keeping good form, making a slight impact when you land on your heels? And the last one, push away push-ups. Can you push away and come back in good form? Let me know how those exercises worked for you. And remember, if you want a 5-day free strength training plan designed to build bone density and strength, please check out the link below. Remember, exercise works when you know how to work it.